I think I've finally perfected the vegan Gyro seasoning. In a bowl, mix rosemary, oregano, marjoram, paprika, black pepper, cumin, nutritional yeast, onion powder, garlic powder, and vegan Worcestershire sauce. Set it aside. Open a pack of BE-Hive slices and cut them into strips. Separate them in a bowl, add your paste, and mix thoroughly. Set aside and make Tzatziki sauce. You want to peel and seed your cucumbers. You can grate them or mince them by hand. I didn't feel like dirtying another dish, so I just cut them myself. Add mint, lemon juice, vegan yogurt, olive oil, salt, and pepper to taste. Chop up some tomatoes, lettuce, and onions, whatever you want in your sandwich, and saute your now perfectly seasoned seitan until brown. Toast some pita and build that sandwich. You can put whatever you want in here. Hell, put some French fries in there. That'd be awesome. This flavor is out of control good. Let's make a vegan pizza Crunchwrap. Get that oven hot and make some garlic butter for the garlic bread center. I like to use hamburger buns because of their size and shape. Really butter them up and bake them until golden. Saute some BE-Hive Italian crumbles until warm and fragrant, and then mix in your favorite tomato sauce. Shred some BE-Hive coconut mozz and get your ingredients ready so we can build. Start with the cheese so it's close to the heat source. Now your meat sauce, your buttery garlic bread, some ranch, and arugula. Oh my God, for pepperoni. Bring in the edges of your tortilla to meet in the middle, working in a circle until you have your iconic hexagon. Toast it in even more garlic butter. Now you have your wild snack monstrosity. Just kidding, I love it. Add your favorite pizza toppings in if you want. Maybe some fresh basil or bell peppers. I bet a jalapeno pineapple one would be awesome too. Get creative. We were having some pretty crazy snow days here in Nashville, and I wanted to make something warm and rustic and fun, so we're making some Freezo skillet bread. Take 3/4 of a cup of warm water and sprinkle some dry active yeast on top and some sugar. Let it get frothy and add potato flakes, olive oil, salt, some bread flour. Knead this for up to 10 minutes until you have a nice smooth ball. Let it rest and rise somewhere warm. Mix BE-Hive chorizo with some olive oil and some onions. You're gonna smash this into the dough later. And when it's risen, you're gonna punch that dude right in the face. Place it in a greased cast iron. If you don't have a cast iron, you have to stop this video right now and go get one. It is so important to have one of these. Cover your bread with your mix, poke it around, really get your freaking hands in there. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes and add some toppings afterwards to make it really fancy. Some cilantro, fresh lime. Now you're a fancy bread guy. You can put anything on here. You can make pizza. Have fun, you know?